What's up, everybody? Back at it with another video. I know I don't got many subscribers or anything like that. I appreciate all the ones that did subscribe. If you're new, I do a little bit of everything. I do maintenance at work, so I do a lot of cleanouts. I get the stuff from the houses at times too, flip it, resell it. I'm all about trying to make life better and making a better future. But the other night I was sitting in bed and I'm like, I need some new clothes. It's getting summertime. I was like, I need to get some shirts. I need to get some pants. I'm always trying to get shoes. So I was sitting there and I was thinking, I'm like, when can I go shopping? And I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. And I always start the process and then I don't go through with it. I don't know why, but it's something kind of exciting. And a lot of the videos I've seen, it's hit or miss on them. Like a lot of them are the same exact product over and over for everybody, but I had to give it a try. So, what I got is Thread Beast. The box is actually pretty heavy. I was thinking it was going to be a lot less. I was very interested in it. They said they'd give me $100 extra worth of items, so I went with it. Easy process to do. I just put in what I like, my sizes, and then they go through a bunch of pictures and say, would you wear this? And you either click yes, no, to kind of give them an idea of what you wear. So I went through everything and I actually bought it. As I said, this is the premium box. It was $150 with an extra $100 worth of stuff. So let's see if it's worth it and if I continue to buy through them. Because if it's definitely worth it, I wouldn't mind doing it. What I'm hoping for, like I said, pants, some shirts, maybe another belt, but shoes too. But I don't believe there's shoes in here. What I don't want to see in here is an Atom Bomb, I think it is, the brand. Their shirt. I've seen a lot of those. So, enough with the boring talk. Let's get started. As you can see, I didn't open it. It's all sealed and everything. So we're just going to open it up and see how they did. First off, at the top, they got a scan code right there. So you can tell them how it is, unlock membership, stuff like that. It looks pretty packed, I ain't gonna lie. And let's see, right off the bat, I see we do have a sweatshirt. Jack and Jones, green. I'll say that's a hit right now because that's my favorite color. It's simple, it's good feeling. The price tag is on it is $44.50, but definitely a good one because green is my favorite color. I think I was all over the place with my what I like. Then we have, I do like button ups. This is a short sleeve Jack and Jones shirt. Price tag on it, $79.50. I do like that. On the back as well, it says 1990 originals. Actually, I was born in 1990, so that's kind of cool. Definitely something I would wear. I don't know, it's hard to see, pick up because it kind of blends in, but that is cool. Definitely not my style whatsoever. Selected home. Yeah, this is a weird material. Selected home it is. Price tag for $155. Knit workwear. Do not care for this whatsoever, but if it's $155, see what we can get for it on eBay and go from there. So far 2 out of 3 good. It's still pretty full. Another sweatshirt, which this is a Primitive, I do believe. Yes, Primitive hoodie, black. I do wear a lot of black clothes. See if there's a price tag in here, and I am not seeing one. Clearly it's new, but that is a plus. I do like that. We have a pair of DKNY jeans. All right. I do like that straight fit. Black. I was actually looking for some black pants recently just to give it a try. No price tag on it. Simple black pants. I do like that. Okay. Born to Win. Polarize. It's just a simple front. Born to Win. And then on the back, big skull. That is a cool shirt. I do like that. It's pretty nice. I'll say that. A lot of black shirts. And then this one is a Bless t-shirt. Nothing on the back. No one expects an angel to set LA on fire. Pretty cool. Black again. These do all feel very quality. So I do like that. This one is, it says Weather Report. It just says Weather Report on the front. Little design on the back. I'll wear it. I don't know if I like it so much, but then we have a pair of PSD boxers. Never wore these. We'll give them a try. They seem to be a very popular brand. And I do believe that is it. So, do I believe that it's worth it? Yes. The clothes are kind of simple. Not too much like graphic or anything like that. I do like the colors for the most part. Other than that sweatshirt, I am happy with this purchase. Will I do it again? Probably. I'll try doing it again, or maybe I should try a couple other subscription boxes. If you guys have any ideas on what I should try, let me know. Comment. Let me know what subscription boxes to try, and maybe I'll get some and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching. Like I said, like it, subscribe it. Don't. Just get an idea of what you can get if you get the $150 box from Threadbeast. Yeah, have a good day. Thank you.